Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am going to show you how I make my cold brew coffee. And what I thought I would do is, since I ordered a new cold brew filter from Amazon, I thought I would do a side-by-side and show you the old way I made it versus the new way I make it. And you can decide for yourself which one's right for you, and let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with my old method, and all you need is some coffee. And this week we're using Maxwell House because I don't know about at your house, but I tend to alternate between a couple of brands and depends on which one's on sale, and that's the one we use that week. You're going to need a coffee filter, a twisty tie off of your bread, so save those plastic twisty ties, probably not the paper ones, but plastic definitely for sure. A quart-size wide mouth jar and a lid, and you can use any lid. I just have these plastic lids that you know that I love so much. Okay, so I have my coffee filter. I'm going to begin to fill it with coffee. We're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm hoping it's not too much. And I have 2 coffee filters here, just so you know. Just going to try to bring this together as easy as I can. All right, I think I got it. I may have needed to go 4 scoops, but I'm trying to make it even on each side since we're doing a comparison. All right, hold on. I need both hands to kind of get this done. I think that's good. Maybe not. Hold on, let me try that again. All right, that seems a little tighter. Okay, I'm happy with that one. All right, so we have 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop this in the jar, and then we're going to fill it up with water. And that's our first one. Now the second one that we have here is, I had seen this on Amazon, of course. Hopefully you can, there we go. And this will be linked in my affiliate link below. So I've got this filter, and it looks just like this. It's just a little mesh filter. It goes right inside of your jar. See, just fits right in there. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 5 heaping. And I think if I do a even scoop, I think my scoop is a tablespoon. I think maybe. Maybe. We're going to call it a tablespoon. All right, so same thing. We're going to fill this one up with water. Okay, you can see that one. And I swear that little mesh filter, because it's not sitting in a coffee filter, I think it just starts to come through and the flavor starts to come through quicker. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these on my kitchen counter, and when I get home from work today, I will show you what the differences are. So that's our first look. And we'll wait about 9 hours, and I will show you what it looks like after. Now, when I was doing this way, I would have to let it steep for a couple of days, whereas with this one, I let it steep for 1 day, and it's such a concentrate that I can use either less, or I can just cut it with water and double the amount that I have. So you decide. I'm gonna let you decide. I'll come back with you later today, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, this is where we're at after 9 hours, and the one on this one has the coffee filter in it, and this one has my new Cold Brew tea filter. So that's where we're at right now. Here are our results after 24 hours. You can see they're basically the same. I'm not sure if the last time when I did this, I didn't use the same amount of coffee, because when you're trying to get the coffee into that coffee filter and then get it closed, it's a little difficult to kind of judge. And also sometimes you put too much in and you got to pour it out. It just seems to be a guessing game. That's why I chose to check out the coffee filter. And if you want one more look at that coffee filter, it's here. But that's why I decided to check out the coffee filter, because of the fact that it just seemed like it was easier. It's an easier cleanup. You just pop it out, dump the coffee grinds in the garbage, or you can save them. My refrigerator, I left it open, so I have to turn around and get that closed real quick. If you want to save the coffee grounds, I think that you can put them in your garden as well, or in your plants. So, not a plant expert, but I think that's what I've heard. So with that said, I'm going to sign off from here, and I think I said this before, but if you want to see more coffee videos, just go ahead and put coffee in the comments, and I will make sure that I continue to find more and more of these, because I'm really enjoying these iced coffee drinks. All right, so with that said, I'm going to sign off from here today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, to go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell if you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos. And with that, I know I said it before, but with that said, we'll see you next time.